Hello, today we are going to show you how to grow a mango from seed without putting it directly into the ground. There's a couple things that you're going to need. To start off, you're going to want a paper towel, a knife, and the seed itself. So this is the sort of pit of the mango. When you eat the fruit, this is what's remaining. This is not the seed itself. This is just like a shell for the seed. If you feel around it, it's very hard and it'll be very difficult to get open. Right here, there's a soft spot. That's kind of where you want to cut, and you can see where the seed is. So you don't want to cut too deep because you'll damage that seed. So I can see that there's some space here, so I'm going to cut right in here. Sort of twist. And then you can take the end of this, twist open some more. And there's the seed. Now we did this a little bit earlier, and this is what we got. This is the seed, this is the shell. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take this. I have a couple extra paper towels. Let me get rid of those. And you're going to wrap the seed in paper towel. You also need a squirt gun. Well, not a squirt gun, a squirt bottle to dampen both sides. So we're going to spray. Just get it damp. Don't have to soak it. And then we're going to flip it and dampen the other side. Just so it's, damp but not soaking wet. All right. I'm going to fold this up, dampen it again. So the last thing you're going to need, plastic bag. What we're doing with this is we're sort of making a greenhouse effect. So we're putting this inside of the bag and sealing it to make a greenhouse. So we're going to let this sit for a couple weeks, and it should start sprouting roots and possibly even, a stem from the seed itself. So in a couple weeks, we'll post another video just to show you the progress of the seed.